Here's what you need to know about what is a man-in-the-middle attack. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A man-in-the-middle MITM attack occurs when an attacker secretly intercepts and potentially alters communication between two parties who believe they are communicating directly with each other. The attacker can eavesdrop on sensitive data, steal credentials, or inject malicious content into the traffic stream. Key concept: interception without detection. In a MITM attack, the attacker positions themselves between the victim and the legitimate server. Both parties believe they are communicating directly. Traffic flows through the attacker who can read, modify, or block it silently. Key concept: ARP Spoofing Method. ARP spoofing is the most common MITM technique on local networks. The attacker sends fake ARP replies associating their MAC with the default gateway IP. Victims send traffic to the attacker instead of the real gateway. Key concept: evil twin Wi-Fi attack. An attacker creates a rogue access point with the same SSID as a legitimate network. Victims connect to the evil twin and all their traffic flows through the attacker. This is common in public Wi-Fi environments. Key concept: SSL Stripping. SSL stripping downgrades an HTTPS connection to HTTP without the victim knowing. The attacker maintains an HTTPS connection to the server and an HTTP connection to the client, reading all traffic in clear text. Let's look at the full breakdown. ARP spoofing, poison ARP cache on LAN. Redirect traffic via attacker MAC. Defense, dynamic RP inspection. Evil twin, rogue AP with same SSID. Victim connects to attacker's AP. Defense, 802.1x, whips. SSL stripping, downgrade HTTPS to HTTP. Attacker reads clear text session. Defense, HSTS, certificate pinning, DNS spoofing, return fake IP for domain. Redirect to malicious site. Defense, DNS-SEC, DNS over HTTPS. Here's a real-world example. An attacker sits in a coffee shop and creates a rogue Wi-Fi hotspot named coffeeshop_free, the same SSID as the real one. A customer connects and logs into their bank. Their traffic flows through the attacker's laptop. The attacker performs SSL stripping, downgrading the HTTPS connection to HTTP, and captures the customer's username and password in clear text. Quick recap before you go. 1. MITM, attacker intercepts communication between two parties without detection. 2. ARP spoofing redirects LAN traffic through the attacker via fake ARP replies. 3. Evil twin, rogue AP tricks victims into connecting to the attacker's network. 4. SSL stripping downgrades HTTPS to HTTP so the attacker can read traffic. 5. Defenses, HTTPS, HSTS, 802.1x, dynamic ARP inspection certificate pinning. That's what is a man-in-the-middle attack? Covered. Exam tip: MitM attacks require the attacker to be positioned between the two communicating parties. ARP spoofing is the LAN method. Evil twin is the wireless method. SSL stripping shows the victim HTTP while the attacker talks HTTPS to the server. HSTS prevents SSL stripping. Next up, what is ARP spoofing? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.